Good morning. We're here at Marco Island. Is it afternoon yet? I feel like we've been here forever. Let me tell you. Oh my goodness. That's a very nice shell Robert just found. I don't know that I've ever seen a little black Murex like that. Alright, so we're here on Marco Island, and if you like little shells, there's been crazy good shelling this morning. I have found a couple bigger fighting conchs, but for the most part, I'm just finding little spirals, which I like, so definitely not complaining there. The sun is now making my shadow not my friend. Let's see if I can get back so my shadow is not like in the way. Yes, I'm missing a lot. Huh? Huh? What? What is that? It is Chelsea. Oh. Olive. Banana. Oh, look how big that one is. Robert, I think I'm going to have to switch with you for a bit. I think officially my arm is about to fall off because of this shelling bucket.
What's that now?
I said I'm going to have to switch with you now. I think my arm has taken all it can of this shelling bucket. Hold on. It's very heavy shelling
Oh my
bucket.
god, I think we got more today than...
Alright, so give me the umbrella. I'll take the umbrella.
Yeah,
And then he can hold the shelling
freak
bucket.
it.
No, you're
Man,
not.
look at that one. That one was right here. Look at that one. That one was right here. Look at that one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Holy crap.
Spirals galore. And the sun is coming out.
It's getting hot now.
It's getting hot now.
It's getting hot now.
It's getting hot in here.
It's definitely getting hot.
Definitely getting hot in here. Oh man,
Look at these. They're everywhere.
they are everywhere.
Oh,
Uh-oh, was that thunder?
that was thunder, I think.
All right, let me look in. No,
Nothing?
there's no clouds anywhere. There was no clouds anywhere. Now I really look like a fool with this umbrella.
No.
At least there was clouds earlier to
There was.
explain my umbrella.
Looks like it could have been something.
Now I'm just like
Now it just looks like
the girl with the big ass umbrella.
Yeah, well, I think she's Poppins.
Mary Poppins, you think I could get it to fly me back to the room? That would be nice.
I'd like to see it.
Sure you would.
I'll show you.
All right, I want to walk.
Dude, there's tons of shells here.
I know, but look at that curve over there. That's
I don't
fine.
care about the curve.
That's fine.
Look at these.
Alright, I'm gonna try to talk them when they're moving down a little bit.